Yo, what is good? In this video, I'm gonna be ranking the best and obviously the worst niches to sell information, sell info like coaching and mentorships, etc. and etc. And my name is Edward Cash. I personally help coaches and mentors scale their online info business, and I personally scaled mine into multiple six-figure annual info business at just 18 years old. And yeah, man, let's get started, man. So health, okay? Let's say your niche is health, and obviously, no one's niche is basically just health in general. Usually there's like sub niches in it, like fitness transformations, this and that, blah 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 blah. Like, let's say if you're a fitness coach that had a fitness transformation, you went from fat to fit, etc., etc. That is a very powerful topic, very powerful niche. Yeah, this is close to, I'm gonna put it in S tier because there's plenty of fitness guys out there, fitness coaches who make a fuck ton of money, getting plenty of DMs daily. They want me to scale their info business, etc., etc. They're making out 10K. They want to get to 50K, this and that. All right, then let's move on to motivation niche. Okay, motivational niche. Let's say you just post motivational videos online like, no, you need discipline, this and that. You have to be real. I'm going to be real. If this is your core, being this motivational guy, and you want to sell mentorships and coaching, if it's just motivation, it's pretty shit. Like, see, you may get views, but it's very hard to sell mentorship and coaching. But if you build it in a way that you talk about motivation, but your core is helping people how to overcome the difficulties of not being disciplined, and then they buy the mentorship and you post motivational content on that. But if you're just the motivational guy who just motivates people, then it's pretty shit. So I'm gonna put it in C tier because you're not seeing as an authority. You're just talking about everything. You're just talking about motivation, this and that. So I'm gonna put it in C tier. Let's be real. Finance related niche, like teaching people how to get rich. My first niche ever was teaching people how to trade. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be fucking honest. It's the best shit ever. Teaching people how to make money because you already solved it. You're making money somehow, and now you're gonna teach people how to this and that. It's maybe above S tier, but S tier. People see that as an investment. And if you become an authority in the finance-related niches, you're going to make a fuckload of more money than the actual stuff that you're talking about. Okay, I'm going to be dead honest. If you flip houses, and let's say you make 10K flipping houses per month, you're going to make fucking millions per month selling info on how to flip houses. That's just how it goes, if you stay consistent enough, right? That's just how it goes, okay? People see that as an investment. People are willing to invest tens of thousands of dollars for a mentorship, for you to teach them how to actually do that shit, okay? Then let's go to flexing lifestyle, okay? Lifestyle content, flexing cars, this and that. This usually goes hand to hand with, like people usually pair this flexing lifestyle with finance-related niches, okay? Because there's plenty of e-com guys, fucking trading guys who flex this lifestyle, maybe rented, maybe not. It's all right, okay, but it's not that great because usually this just attracts beginners and people who don't have money, because all the experts, all the people who have money know that this is just for clout. So I'm gonna put it in these get views. Some people may pay, so I'm gonna put it in A tier. But if you're just this guy who flexes lifestyle and it's basically like a robot, nobody knows, people just know you because you flex lifestyle, you don't really talk about a niche, then it's fucking shit. Because then, bro, let's be honest, like it's you need to be known for something, okay? You can be known for, hold on, my mom is calling. All right, back. Remember, guys, always answer your mom, okay? Right? Usually I don't answer no calls when I'm doing my work, but if it's mom, you have to answer, okay? But again, let's continue. Lifestyle content is kind of mid. If you pair with your actual niche, then it can be good. So overall, I'm going to put it in B tier, because if you just actually teach people how to do stuff, you actually show them proof, this and that, it's more powerful, right? Because again, this just attracts usually beginners, people who don't have money, right? Let's move on to entertainment. Mr. Beast, this is just a picture of it so people know what I'm talking about. So entertainment, posting entertainment content, it's to sell info. It's shit. Okay, let's be honest. It's fucking shit. It's hard to sell information on entertainment unless you actually build a new channel where you teach people how to get views through entertainment content, then it's fucking S tier, because it's, again, then it's finance related niche. But if it's just entertainment, it's not gonna be you're not gonna get too many sales or leads. You're just gonna get views. And I'm not talking about ad revenue, guys. Mr. Beast makes a fuck ton of money through ad revenue. He built his own business selling chocolate, this and that. He makes a fuck ton of money. Okay, no lie. But to sell mentorships and coaching information, it's terrible. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. Now, music. Music is actually, you cannot sell mentorships. I mean, you can sell a course or a playbook how to sing better, but like I'm gonna put it also in C tier, because it's just like it's not a massive problem that people have. It's like something that the more you do, you get better, etc. Obviously, people may buy the course, right? If you actually become the authority guy in this, but it's not the best niche. It's like, I'm gonna put it in C tier, right? Relationships. This is huge. S tier, right? Relationships, you have to understand, if you look at these three categories in here, these are the main three categories in the S tier right now. It's because people have massive problems in these three categories. People are struggling with health, they're struggling with finances, they're broke, they want to make money, and also relationships, okay? And also, those are like huge, massive problems. Some people are so fucking fat that they cannot get out from their bed, so they want to invest into your program, into you, so they can get their problems solved. Relationships also, people want to feel loved. They want to find a life partner, so they're gonna reach out, right? Massive problems. And you are the solution. Okay, you have to understand, you have to become the solution for these guys, the problem solver. Okay, let's move on to YouTube reaction. If your niche is just to react on other videos, I'm gonna be honest, it can get a lot of views. But again, when you sell information, when you sell coaching and mentorships, you want to make a lot of money. You don't need a lot of views to sell a lot of fucking coaching mentorships. You can make a fuck ton of money, which is 1K subscribers. My main channel has 5K, makes me a fuck ton of money. So this, again, like, listen, bro, it's not good. Okay, if your niche is just to react on videos, you're gonna get views. But if you don't have the niche, it's shit. You cannot sell anything, right? You're just a reactor. You're just this fucking NPC looking at these videos. But if your niche is, let's say, trading or e-commerce, and you react to the videos, and then after that you're gonna correct them, like, that is not good, or here's how I would do it better, then it's actually that can be a S tier or A tier. But if you're just reacting to these videos and you don't have an actual core to your videos, like your actual niche, then it's kind of D tier. Okay, D tier. And cooking, recording cooking videos, teaching people how to cook a meal, this and that. You want to sell information? C tier. You can create a book, an ebook that goes for $10, $20, or a course. But like, let's be honest, bro. Unless you're this master chef, then you can make money if you're this master chef, right? You sell your secret recipes. But what if they get leaked? This is C tier. Again, not a massive problem. Okay, this is not a massive problem that people have, right? You can eat a fucking tuna can and survive, or you can look some recipes on YouTube. But to sell information on this, it's C tier. I'm actually putting it in D tier, right? None of these goes to dog shit, because you can make money selling information on all of these, but it's not as efficient as these three, right? My first niche was trading content, finance related. Now I teach people how to scale their online for business. So if you want to scale their online for business, subscribe, like, comment. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.